Hi students, good morning everybody. Today let us see how to factorize a quadratic expression. What is the general form of a quadratic expression? Ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the highest degree here? 2. That is why we say variable degree is 2 here, so that is why it is called second degree or quadratic expression, okay, where that second degree term cannot be 0, okay. So today we will see how to factorize such type of quadratic expressions by using splitting middle term. Very easy method if you understand. Listen carefully. Okay, x square plus 3x plus 2, it is an expression, right? Now what are the factors of 2 here? Since the coefficient of x square is 1, we need not take it, so take 2 directly. 2 ones are 2, right? How many possibilities are there here? 2, 1, 2 plus 1, minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and minus 2 plus 1. For every factorization there are 4 possibilities. What is 2 plus 1? 3. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 2 minus 1 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So where did you get plus 3 here? What is the middle term here? Plus 3x. Where do you get plus 3 here? This one. So rest 3 wrong. So only one possibility will be there. That is x square plus this 3x can be written as 2x plus 1x. Got it now? How did I write plus 3x? 2x plus 1x plus 2. Why should we write only plus 2x and plus x? Because the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Okay? This is very important concept here. Okay? For every problem, until you understand perfectly, you can write that. Okay? Now, this plus 3x is written as 2x plus 1x. So, for both numbers, we have to give plus here. Okay? So, take in this 2, you can take x common. Right? If you take x common, one more x will be there. Plus 2 will be there. Right? X I am taking common now. So, what is remaining there? 2. In this 2, what is common? There is nothing. So, I will take plus 1. So, I will take x plus 2 as it is. You must remember one thing here. Whatever comes here, there will be same factor. Okay? X plus 2, x plus 2. Again, if I take x plus 2 common, then what is remaining? X plus 1. So, therefore, x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to x plus 2 into x plus 1. So these two are the factors of x square plus 3x plus 2. Since it is quadratic expression, we have 2 factors. For every quadratic expression, 2 factors will be there. Suppose if these factors are, if I make equal to 0, then what will you get? X equal to minus 2. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So minus 2 and minus 1 are called roots of this quadratic expression. Got it? Roots of this quadratic expression. Since we are taking now factorization, we need not take equal to 0, just factors enough. X plus 2 and x plus 1 are factors of that quadratic expression. Okay, let us see one more. Listen, try to understand the method because it is very important procedure. Splitting middle term is very important. Okay, so I will take second one. X square minus 3x plus 2. Just I changed the symbol there. Take x square minus 3x plus 2. Now again, what are the factors of 2 here? 2 ones are 2. Again I am taking same. So what are the possibilities? 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, right? Every time we have 4 possibilities. Remember that concept, okay? Now, what is 2 plus 1? 3. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 minus 1, 1. So, now, what do you want here? Minus 3x, right? Middle term is what here? Minus 3x. So, where is minus 3? Here. So, rest 3 wrong, right? So, how do we write now minus 3? Minus 2 minus 1. So here minus and here also minus. Okay. So how do we write that minus 3x? Minus 2x and minus 1x plus 2. Did you understand? How did I write minus 3 here? Minus 2 minus 1. Got it? Minus 3 can be written as minus 2 minus 1. Otherwise not possible. Okay. So minus 2 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 2, right? This you will get. When we take product, you should get this, right? Minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. So now in this 2 you take x common. X square, if you take x common, we have 1x minus 2. In this 2 what is common? There is nothing. So I will take minus 1 common. So x. This minus into plus minus 2. Why? Here I have already x minus 2. So here also we should have x minus 2 only. So minus into plus minus. Then what is common here again? X minus 2, x minus 1. So what are the factors of this expression? So x minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, these are the factors for quadratic expression. Clear? I will be explaining the problems, more problems. You try to understand the method perfectly. Okay, third one. I will give you more number of examples. You try to understand the procedure. Okay. So third one. X square plus 5x plus 6. Let us see this. X square plus 5x plus 6. What are the factors of 6 here? Here coefficient of x square is 1. So there is nothing problem. There is no problem here. So what are the factors of 6 here? I can take 6 1s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 1 6 are 6. That's all. No other factors, right? 1 2 3 6. So either this one or this one we should take now. Okay, either this one or this one we should take. Suppose if I take 6 and 1, possibilities you check once. 6 plus 1, 6 minus 1, minus 6 plus 1, and minus 6 minus 1. You check it once this. 7, 5, minus 5, minus 7. Plus 5 you have here, but here we have plus 5, okay. But 6 into minus 1. When we take product here, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. So these 4 possibilities are not correct. So only other possibility is 3 2s. Okay, 3 2s. 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 minus 2, and minus 3 minus 2. Now you check it. 3 plus 2, 5, minus 1, minus 5, 1. So which one is correct now? Plus 5, where do you have? This. So rest 3 wrong. Clear? Now factorize. X square. This 5x how can I write now? Plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x. 3 into 2 plus 6 only, no? Possible. Now, x take common in this 2. So, x plus 3. In this 2 what is common? 2 common. x plus 2 3s are 6. So x plus 3 into x plus 2, right? Therefore, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2. They are the factors. Okay? Both are the factors of the given expression. I will change here minus now. I will just change negative. You will see now. Fourth one. Minus. Here I will take minus. Now again 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Which one is possible now? Again 3 2s are 6 only possible. 3 plus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 plus 2, 3 minus 2. This is not possible. Why? Minus 5 is there here. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 means if you take multiplication you will get minus 6, no doubt. Minus into plus minus 6 will come. But here what do you have? Plus 6. So these are not possible. So only thing is 3 2s are. So 3 plus 2 5, minus 5, minus 1, 1. Where do you have minus 5 there? Here. So rest 3 wrong. Okay. So possibility is minus 3, minus 2. Into, if you take product minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. Correct, no? Minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. If you take multiplication, we should get this. If you take addition or subtraction, we should get this. That is called factorization. So minus 5x can be written as minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So take x common in this 2. X of x minus 3. In this 2, what is common here? 2 is there, but this plus should become minus. So then you will take minus 2 common, x minus 3. So fully x minus 3 common, x minus 2. X minus 3, x minus 3 common. So what is remaining? X minus 2. So therefore, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to x minus 3 into x minus 2. They are the factors. Okay? That is the method. We will see one more problem. Fifth one. I will just change the symbol here. Plus, minus. You see now. Fifth one. X square plus 5x minus 6. Now you look at the factors again. Okay. What are the factors here? 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Will it be possible now? 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 and 3 minus 2. Do you get here plus 5? Do you get plus 5? Do you get plus 5? Yes, right. But 3 plus 2. 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are how much? 6. Plus 6 we will get. But here we have minus 6. So which one is possible now? These 4 are wrong now. Only we should take this one now. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1 6 minus 1. Which one is possible now? 7 minus 7 minus 5 5. So 6 1s are 6. Which one is possible? I want plus 5 here. So plus 6 minus 1. Right? These 3 are wrong. Correct? So 6 1s are 6. So I can write plus 5 as x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 6. So in this 2 what is common? X common, x plus 6. In this 2 what is common? Minus 1 common, x minus into minus plus 6. Always remember that whatever you get here the same will repeat there. So fully what is common now? X plus 6 into x minus 1. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to x plus 6 into x minus 1. Both are the factors of the given expression. If you multiply these two, we will get again the given expression. That is why it is called factorization. Okay. One more, all negatives, no? That is possible. Both are negative. We will see one more. Both negative. X square minus 5x minus 6. Now take the factors again. Same. Here also you will have minus 5. See, minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 only. But minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. But we have minus 6 here. So it is not possible. So 6 1s are 6 is possible. So what are the possibilities? 6 plus 1. Minus 6 minus 1, minus 6 plus 1, 6 minus 1. Right? 7, minus 7, minus 5, 5. So which one is correct? Minus 5 is correct. So these three wrong. So one of the four only will be correct always. So 6 minus 1. Sorry. Minus 6 plus 1. Right? So x square minus 6x plus 1x plus minus 6. Minus 5x can be written as minus 6x plus 1x. In this 2, take x common. So x minus 6 plus 1 common, x minus 6. So x minus 6 into x plus 1. Therefore, x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to x minus 6 into x plus 1. Both are the factors of the given expression. Got it? So these are the problems. Okay. Okay. This is the method of finding factors for the given quadratic expression. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.